Alright, so today I'm replacing my fuel pump and I'll be installing this fuel pump in my car. This is a 50-1200. Fuel pump's right back here. I already took the 4 bolts in there and then you can see the connector in there. So now I'm gonna remove the connector, remove that ring around it, and take that pump out and replace it. You got 2 plugs, you gotta just take them out. They're really easy. Take this out of there and put it to the side, or you can just leave it there. I'm gonna take it off because I like doing things right. Alright, then you twist off this cap. Undo all the lines before that, and then you twist the cap and take it out. It'll come out now. It's all loose now. Alright, so it's removed. I took off the level sensor plug out of the fuel pump first so I can wiggle it out, and then I'll show you what I did. This pump slides into a bracket inside the pump. I'll show you that in a second, but you have to bend this clip towards this way so you can pull it out. And the way I did that, I used one of these picks, these long picks, and got it out that way, and then you can slide it out up. So this is mounted like this, is like that, and then slides up, and then it should come out with everything from there. Let me show you where it slides in. All right, the thing slides in and there and there. It slides in like that. All right, the fuel pump's out. What you do, you disconnect that clamp, and this is pressed onto there. So you just pop that out like so, and just pull it out. I'm prepping the pump. I put the strainer on top, and I secured it with a little clip. I tried using the old one, but it's too thick over here. I mean, it'll still hold, but I'm just gonna go with the one that came. So, but install this cap over here. Is just it looks like this. Install it on there, and then the plug actually fits from the Nissan one, so it's the same plug, so I don't have to mess with that. So, and they match. They have the minus, plus, so same connector. You don't have to change that. All right, that's mounted. All I did was cut this about an inch or so, cut it a little bit, and then I was able to slide the pump in there. I used the old grommet that was on there, the mounting grommet. I know it has a hole right here for this little hole, but this one has a breather right there to the side, so it's not plugging it. So we're in good shape. Now I'm just gonna zip tie it on here just for double secure. I know it was OEM like that, but I'm just gonna secure it and then install it. All right, as you can see, that's how the thing mounts. It slides down like that. So she's in now. Let's tighten everything up.